I am at North Peninsula State Park in Ormond, and it's chilly out. It's been in the 40s and the high I think is 51 today. So I did take my motorcycle though, and that was nice. Heated hand grips make a big difference. So it's got a very nice finished up parking lot here, and real bathrooms, not chemical toilets or anything. So that's nice. Not potable water over there though. Got a little bike spot here, including this handy, I guess you can put your bike up here, and they have tools on wires. So you can fix your bike up if you had a bicycle and had issues. Oh my, I didn't even see that. There's a little pump down here too. Boop, boop. That's kind of cool. I don't know if a lot of people bike up here. I guess they must. Let's flip this sucker around. So we have little entrance here. So it's supposed to be 2.5 mile hike. I have done this before in 2017. Matter of fact, I used a photo from here for a while for my little logo, but it's been a minute. Woo! That right there, that's one of my favorites. Mimosa. Very cute little fella. I actually have those in my yard. Southern red cedar. Hello, Senor Southern red cedar. Alright, I'm gonna stop this for a second. Be right back. Okay, just want to take a few photos. So starting on our trail, we've got our signage, no bikes, 2.5 miles. I do not expect bugs today. Got some maps down there. I took some photos of that. I will interject. Little picnic table in case the gators want to come up and eat you. I love this sign. This is the best gator photo right there. It's a good one. Trail may flood during high tides. Got my motorcycle boots on. Recently re-glued with shoe goo, so I think I'm okay. Not really motorcycle boots per se. They're actually work boots, but oh well. Got what I got. Alligators, no swimming. I don't think they can read that. A couple of years ago, my grandfather would have had us out here fishing, despite the wind and cold. Feel like you get a little bit of education as you go here. Although for the life of me, I guess that's these little guys. Maybe that guy. Not sure. Sure as hell isn't the palm tree. I guess it's these fellas. Chilly, chilly, chilly. Maybe should have kept my gloves on. I always like this with the roots coming up from the cedar trees. Very cool how that works. Mucky muck water here. Guess we don't really have to worry about flooding today. It's very gray. mucky water. Oh, that's pretty. I keep having to stop the video for photos. Sunshine. 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 I like it. Hike that way. Oh. Well, that's different. Now you know I gotta come look at this. What is this, oyster shells? What in the hell is happening here? Huh. I'm just not even sure. It's very strange though. It's just not something you see every day. It's definitely not something that was here in 2017. So here's our double path. It splits off and does the loop. Doesn't matter which way to go first, and I think I will go right. Good as any choice, I guess. So I guess the initial trail split there is less relevant as it reconnects right here. But here we go. So that wasn't far at all. That just took a couple of minutes and it came back around. Let's see. Your plants of the North Peninsula. Palm. Love my palms. Love the live oaks. What else do we have? Slash pine, mangroves. Magnolias always smell nice. That's silly. Kunti. Oh, I was going to say, I had that one listed as invasive. Aww. Smilax. Sounds like a made-up thing, like a Pokemon or something. Poinsettia. Florida native poinsettia. I get those around my house. Poinsettia. Why am I saying it weird? I don't know why I'm saying that weird. It's a fun, creepy sound. All right, on to the main trail. This is weird because this is one of the few parks where there's actually some ups and downs. It's just evidenced right here. Kind of goes down and then back up and down and up. And I don't know if that's because of its proximity to the coastline. And just dunes building and eroding, but it's kind of fun, kind of different, because a lot of the trails here in Florida are exceptionally flat and low, so having this kind of uppiness is cool. Oh, sparkleberry, how cute. You know, they didn't specify whether they're edible. Likely to encourage people to eat them when they say it's a species of blueberry. This is the real split right here. Been a while since I was here, but I remember now. Bobcat. I've never actually seen a bobcat in the wild. I don't think I want to today. I couldn't do much. Back's killing me. Let's see. So we got a road going east and west here, and then these are our trails, so whoa! Losing my hat. I just kind of want to go up to that tall area, though. I'm probably not supposed to walk along the power lines, but I feel like it'd be a good view. This is overall one of the more open and sunny trails. I try to avoid usually open trails because sun, even on cool days, makes it hotter than all hell. But here, today especially, it's so cold that it's actually totally fine. So you can actually see that's A1A. There. Let's see if we can zoom. So I just saw some cars going by. So that's A1A. So I guess there's a way to kind of cheat and get in here without doing that first bit. You just find somewhere to park over there and come over. Even if you're out on the beach. But why cheat yourself? What else about this place? Aside from it being very sunny, having actual up and down terrain, elevation, that's the word I'm looking for, and being very sandy in general. We're actually a little more packed and dense right now, but most of it, at least up to this point, has been powdery white sand, like you're on the beach. So aside from those things, the last time I was here was November 2017, and particularly coming back along the left here, there were a lot of stickers, and it wasn't well trimmed, so those stickers were sticking in my ankles and hurting quite a bit. Now that wouldn't be a problem today because I have these big work boots on and I have jeans, but Normally I'm in shorter walking tennis shoe kind of shoes, you know. With
total distance 1 mile. Total time 39 minutes and 39 seconds.
Whoa.
Split pace 39 minutes 39 seconds per mile.
That might be my worst mile ever. But I'm not really shooting for speed. Anyways, yeah, I also have the jeans on today, which will help. And normally I have my very thin, breathable hiking pants that are made to be chilled. So, all right. Well, I think maybe we'll take a look at a sign, then I'll cut it off. I think that's for a fern. Looks kind of ferny. Maybe. Oh, Coontie. Silly name. Coming out of here, this looks like our next turn puts us back towards the main circle. There's a little hiking fella. Another dirt road going somewhere. So I think this pretty much just takes us right back to the fork where I went to the right. Although there is that shortcut in the middle, and I think I will venture down that when I get to it again. I just came to this over here on the right. I was walking up this way. I have no recollection of this, but it's telling me to go this way, so I guess I'm going to go this way. So this little path just seems to come to a nook. We have a little kind of bench, I don't even know, it's kind of short. And it's just a nook. So I guess if you want to come have a picnic, it'd be a place to do it. Okay, back we go. So I'm actually at the top of the shortcut. You can see the hotel in the distance. The A1A is right there and the beach on the other side. That was the sign I passed earlier down here on the left. Can't see it, but it's there. It said shortcut this way. And it really is a super duper shortcut. And it's very short. It's not just a shortcut, it is a shortcut. Because right there's the other end.